วงเงินนี่เป็นประเภทกล้าดวลอยู่แล้วครับ ยิ้มครับชาวโอ้ยเจอเหลี่ยมของทางด้านชาว
Okay, the Muay Thai foot sweep is just like it sounds. It's a foot and a sweep. Boom, just like that. You use this move to get opponents off balance. You use it to catch them off guard. It's good for the aggressive boxer. It's also good for when you're able to get the angle on your opponents. Get them off balance and you're able to land another attack. We're going to give you the basic rundown on it and we're going to show you how to apply it. A lot of times when they're coming forward, the weight's on the front foot because, you know, the power comes from the ground. You're just getting set up. So what I want you to do is start noticing where their lead foot is at. Some people want to have their foot on the center line. If you see them with this strong boxer position, that's where you do the foot sweep. It's just like it sounds, foot sweep. So it's not a foot hit. It's not a calf hit. It's not a ankle kick. It's a foot, the sweep. Oh, a foot sweep, very easy. One more time. Apply this in your sparring and in your fights, okay? But the first things first, you're gonna look at the waist and not the face. So that's where I'm looking. Second, you wanna make sure you have a strong guard. Third, big heart, no fear, Jaisu, valiente. We punch, pop, 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 pop. Whatever I wanna do after that. So that's the situation that you'll use the foot sweep. Against those heavy boxers, against those people that's very aggressive and that put that foot on the front line. So now you have the basic fundamentals of the foot sweep. What are you doing with your hands? I'm glad you asked. It's a couple ways that I want you to utilize this. You can have a strong guard or you can have a long guard. And what you're gonna do with the long guard is you're gonna counterbalance their weight. Meaning that one half of the body goes one way, the other half goes the other way. So he just caught me with the hook, I long guarded. Look where I put my lead hand at. Look where I put my foot. Look where my back foot is at. All right, so it's not straight here. And from there, foot sweep, bomb, just like that, bomb, all right? You're gonna take the inside of your foot, and you're gonna sweep their foot out, okay? Thing about this move is you can't force it. You have to be very vigilant about what they're doing. So like I said, if they're punching, and their weight is on the front foot, and they're trying to knock your head off, bang, 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 boom, just like that. A great way to apply this, I want you to utilize this too, Tito, is after you land your shot, especially the left kick, people tend to rush in, don't they?
Yes.
That's the best opportunity to use it. Let me give you an example. Tito left kicks, wham, then he backs up. I'm gonna wanna attack. So you have to be patient and vigilant, then I come in, whoop, that's when you do it. Make sure when you're doing this, you put the weight on the back foot. Not 50-50 because there's really no power. Weight on the back, that's where that power, and it allows me to really, boom, sweep, boom. All right, one more time. So they wham, you're gonna make your space. They're angry now, I wanna get my point back. I'm losing the fight. They come in, bop, boom, good. Very nice, that's how you do it. So now that you have the basic fundamentals of the foot sweep, we're gonna teach you different ways to use it. Great thing about foot sweeps is that we have variations. One of the most common ways to use the foot sweep is against that aggressive opponent. But there's other ways to use the foot sweep. We're gonna give you a few of those strategies. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tabernacle. First one is you're gonna go orthodox to southpaw to lead foot sweep. Just like it sounds. I'm gonna go orthodox to southpaw, protecting. Look where I'm at. To foot sweep, all right? Whoop, there we go. Just for that split second, he's off balance, you body kick. One more time. Y'all move. I can do that one. Whoop, there we go. Sweep, body kick, orthodox to southpaw. Another strategy that you use to utilize this foot sweep is the tie hop, protecting yourself, of course, and sweeping out the front leg. He's more defensive right now, right? You're more defensive. I'm gonna close the distance with the tie hop, bop, hand control, very good. And from there, simple, here, whoop, there we go. Body kick, wham. Running knee, so much that you can do. The principles are the same. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. And to get dripped out with us with KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear, just hit that shop link in our pinned comment in the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.